Everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about the Power BI Premium services. Power BI Premium is an advanced offering from Microsoft that caters to the need of larger organizations and enterprises requiring the enhanced analytics, performance, and data management capabilities. It extends the functionalities of Power BI by providing the dedicated resources, increased data capacity, and advanced features. Power BI Premium is available in different licensing options like Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium per user, each designed to offer flexibility and scalability based on the organizational needs. If we talk about the Power BI Premium per user, also known as PPU, it is a licensing option that brings the advanced features of Power BI Pro to individual users or smaller teams at a more affordable cost. It allows the users to access the premium features such as AI and machine learning capabilities, larger dataset handling, and paginated reports without the need for a full capacity commitment. Some of the key features of Power BI Premium are the advanced analytics, which has the access to AI and machine learning features, data flows, and other advanced analytical options. Next is the enhanced performance, because it can work with dataset up to 100 GB and enjoy higher data refresh rates. Also, it can create and share pixel perfected paginated reports. If we talk about collaboration and sharing, you can share your data in the workspace and distribute the content within the organization. Next is the security and compliance. You can utilize advanced security features and ensure compliance with the industry standards. Next, we will talk about some of the key features of Power BI Premium. So overall, if we talk about the Power BI Premium, it has the dedicated capacity. That means you have the exclusive resources, dedicated cloud compute, and storage resources for consistent performance. Also, you have the faster data processing and report renderings for large data sets. If we talk about the larger data set, it can support up to 400 GB per dataset. Also, it has higher refresh rates. Then, talking about the paginated reports, here we have the pixel perfect reporting. Also, we have the report builder inside the Power BI. Then we have the advanced AI and machine learning capabilities. Here you can build machine learning models directly within the Power BI. Also, you can integrate the AI driven insights like text analytics and image recognition. Next, we have the data flows and data integration. So here you can create and manage the reusable data flows. Also, you can seamlessly integrate with various other data sources. Then we have the enhanced security and compliance. Here you have the row level security, object level security, and it also has some compliance where these various compliance standards, including the GDPR, HIPAA, and Fed RAMP, come into play. The next one is the deployment pipelines. Here you can manage the content from development through the production. Also, you can maintain the version control and streamline deployments. Then we have the Power BI report server. You can publish report on premises, keeping the data within your infrastructure. Then we have the premium workspaces. Here you can create and manage the workspaces leveraging the Power BI capacity. Then we have the data management and governance. Here you can track the data from the source to destination. Also, you can implement the data governance policies effectively inside it. Then we have the performance monitoring. Here you can monitor the usage and performance metrics. Also, you have some optimization tools where you can optimize the report performance and data refresh schedules. Then we have the wide content distributions. Over here, you can distribute the reports widely without additional licensing cost. Also, you can securely share the content with external stakeholders. So these were some of the key features. Now, what are the benefits of using Power BI? One of the benefits is scalability. Here you can accommodate the large number of users and vast amount of data. Also, it is cost efficient. It can enable the broad distribution of content without needing the pro license for all the users. Also, you get the improved performance. Here you get the faster query response and high availability. Then we have the enhanced analytical capabilities. Here you can utilize the advanced tools for deeper insights. Then we also have the comprehensive reporting, where you can use the paginated reports for detailed and formatted reporting needs. So to conclude, Power BI Premium, with its capacity-based and per-user options, offers a comprehensive solution for organization needs, advanced analytics, enhanced performance, and extensive data management also. By leveraging the dedicated resources, larger sets, advanced AI capabilities, and robust security features, Power BI Premium enables the enterprises to harness the full potential of their data, whether for the large-scale data analysis, detailed reporting, or the wide content distribution. Power BI Premium provides the tools and capabilities to meet the need of diverse organizations modern usage. Thank you.